Okay, hi everyone. In this next one is the Benson boiler. The name of the boiler is known as the Benson boiler. The name of the boiler is known as the Benson boiler. See here, the name of the boiler. What is the name of the boiler? Benson boiler. Now what you have to do, same this thing is also similar to that. I'll tell you the function of each and everything. First is the function of a chimney. First one is the function of a chimney. What is the function of a chimney? Sorry, to the function of a chimney to collect the smoke, okay, to collect the smoke, and it will evaporate into the atmosphere. It will evaporate into the atmosphere to collect the smoke, and it will evaporate into the atmosphere. See the function of a fan. Next one is the function of a fan. Function of a fan to collect the air. The function of a fan is to collect the air. The function of a fan is to collect the air. After that, the air preheater. Next one is the air preheater. The function of a air preheater to collect the steam. To collect the steam. See here, air, and it will pass through the here. That air will come and it will pass through the here. And here feed ball means here some tank is there. From water tank is there. What is there here? Water tank. From water tank, water is coming. Okay, now from water tank, what is coming? Water is coming. So water is coming. Next one is the economizer. Next one is the transition section. Next one is the superheater. Next one is the prime mover. Next one is the radiant parallel tube. Next one is the furnace, and here fire will be there. Now I will explain the each and every part, okay, na, in detail. Now I will explain the each and every part in detail. As you can see here, each and every part I will explain you in detail. So what is the first part, okay, na, from where it is starting? As you can see, it is starting from here. Water is coming inside, okay, na, from here what is coming? Water is coming. From feed pump, water is coming. From feed pump, what is coming? Water is coming. That water is going, okay, na, that water is going like this. Water is going from like this, like this, like this, and one revolution. Then it is directly coming to the down. Water is directly coming to the down. Then it will going to the lower tube. Where it is coming to the lower tube. Where it is coming to the lower tube. Water is came here, okay, na. What will happen? From here, air is coming. What is coming from here? Air is coming. Air is trapped in the preheater. Air is trapped in the preheater. Air preheater. This one is known as the air preheater. This one is known as the air preheater. Air is trapped here. Then that air is going to the down, like this. Air is going, and air is going from this way, and air is going from this way, okay, na. When the air will come here, the function of a furnace, what is this? The function of a furnace. The function of a furnace, it will start the burning. It will start the burning. When it will start the burning, heat is released. What will release? Heat is released, okay, now what will release here? Heat will be released. When the heat will be released, what is present here inside that? What is present here? Water is present. What is present here? Water is present. What is present here? Water will be present. Water will get evaporate due to the temperature of this heat. Water will get evaporate. Water will pass through this like this. Water is converted to steam and it will move upward. Water will converted to steam and it will move upward. When the water will move upward stream, okay, na, upward trap. So water will see. Water will go like this, like this, like this, like this. When the water, this is steam. Now the water is converted into steam. Now the water is converted into steam. This steam is passing like this. It is, when it is passing, heat is coming from here. Then it is going to the prime mover. Where it is going? It is going to the prime mover. From here you are supplying the heat. When you supply the heat, already this is converted into steam, okay, now here hot gases. Which gases is coming here? Hot gases. So this steam is converted into superheated. This steam is converted into superheated steam. That superheated steam is going to the prime mover. Prime mover means wherever you require that steam, you can use that one. Wherever requirement of there is that steam, you can use that one. That is the function of a Benson boiler, and here chimney is there. After that, smokes will be released. What will be released from here? Smoke will be released. So this smoke will collected in chimney. From the chimney, it will goes to the atmosphere. From the chimney it will goes to the after certain time it will become cool down. When it is mixed with the atmosphere, it is cool down. This is the function of a Benson boiler. This is the function of a Benson boiler. So what will happen in Benson boiler? Here furnace is there. Furnace will release the hot gases. When the furnace will release the hot gases, it will goes to the lower chamber, and this one is the upper chamber. Lower chamber, what is there? Water is there. Water is converted into steam. That steam is passed through the higher chamber. From higher chamber again it will take number of rotation here. Why is taking number of rotation? That rotation, the elements is known as superheated. That one is known as steam is already hot. If you increase the temperature, it will become superheated. What will happen? It will become superheated. Then superheated will pass through the prime mover. After taking number of time, it will pass through the prime mover. This one is known as vertical boiler. This one is known as vertical boiler. First one is known as the vertical boiler because it is straight. So vertical boiler. And next one is the natural circulation. Why you are calling this one as the natural circulation? As you can see here, feed pump is located somewhere here, and inside that what is there? Water is there. Inside that what is there? Water is there. So feed pump is located above. So automatically water will come inside that. Automatically what will come inside that? Water will come inside that. So no need to supply any extra pump for that. Automatically water is coming inside that. So this one is natural circulated. First one is the vertical boiler. Second one is the natural circulated. Natural circulated. Third one is the furnace is located inside. Okay na? Inside. Inside. Furnace is where it is located? Inside the boiler. Furnace is located inside the boiler. Another thing, this one is known as water tube boiler. Which type of tube water? Water tube boiler. Why we are calling this one as a water tube boiler? Because inside the tube if water is there, that one is called as the water tube boiler. If inside the tube hot gases is there, that one is known as the fire tube boiler. So two types of boiler is there. First one is the water tube boiler, another one is the fire tube boiler. So this is the working principle of a Benson boiler. This is the working principle of a Benson boiler. Like this Benson boiler will work. Okay. After that Benson boiler, next one is the boiler mountings. What is there here? Next topic is the boiler mounting. What is there here? Next topic, boiler mountings. Okay, now this one is known as the boiler mountings. As you can see, boiler mountings. What is boiler mountings? Okay, now mountings means if mountings are there, then only boiler will run. If mountings are not there, boiler you can't run the boiler. These are the essential parts of the boiler. Okay, now mountings are there. Then accessories. If you add the accessories, what will happen? Efficiency of the boiler will increase. If you add the accessories, what will happen? Efficiency of the boiler will increase, but mounting is necessary. If you want to increase the efficiency of a boiler, then accessories also required. So these two things are there. First one is